What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna go put on a TOMEI exhaust on my 350Z. So I know this exhaust has been put on like almost every 350Z, but it's literally the best exhaust you can get for this car. It's full titanium and it just makes the car sound so much better. You can shoot flames out of it, and I can't wait to put this on. So right now I have an exhaust leak in my car where the test pipes are at. So that's basically right underneath where you're driving. So basically I was trying to tighten down the bolts and I got brand new hardware for it, but I guess it was a little too big. I guess I got the wrong size hardware or something, and they basically snapped the bolt. So I have a snap bolt in there and a huge exhaust leak, so I don't like it. I want to get it fixed as soon as possible, so I'm going to be taking it to my local muffler shop where I got the exhaust done on my Lancer, and I'm going to be taking this TOMEI there. As you can see, full titanium TOMEI. So I'm excited to put this on. As you can see, it is used, so I got it for a pretty good deal. You know, I never really buy anything brand new. Always trying to save money. Yeah man, this thing is beautiful. I mean, like, look at the colors on it and everything. Like, sheesh. So this right here guys is the brand new hardware I got for the exhaust. As you can see, we have new gaskets and brand new bolts and nuts. So this thing should not have an exhaust leak when we're done with it. It's gonna be sitting real nice, real flush, and I'm excited to put it on. So let's just get started, let's get to it. So we got the TOMEI in the back of my mom's Corolla. She's gonna go over there with me. I think it's gonna take a while for them to fix that bolt that snapped off in there. So I'm just gonna leave this with them. I'll give them all the hardware, leave and come back, and this car should be sounding real good. So let's just get started. So here's the Z. This is the exhaust that's on it right now. It's basically just a straight pipe. That's the like original exhaust. Previous owner just got a muffler delete. So over here, that tip looks good, but this one's like bent. So it doesn't look really good, and I want to get it fixed. So imagine a nice TOMEI just sticking out of that right there. It's gonna look so good. But yeah, I do have an exhaust leak in this area down here, so it gets really annoying. The car's really loud, and you know, I just don't get the nice sounds that I want. So I can't wait to get that fixed today. Let me just get you guys this cold start. Alright guys, so we're here at the one and only Midas. So right now they're just putting in the new exhaust. They already got the old exhaust off, which I thought was going to take them longer, but I actually have to go get a gasket for them because I didn't have a gasket for where their TOMEI connects. So now we're going to be able to put it all in, and yeah, I'm excited. Hey, is it okay if I can like record? Is that okay? Yeah. Alright, thank you. There you guys, there's the new TOMEI. There's the old crappy exhaust. I mean, look at this thing guys. That compared to that, sheesh. So this is a 3-inch I believe, and then this one looks like it's like a 2 or maybe a 2.5, but like look at all that rust on it. The tips are ugly, but Yeah, man. The it looks naked like that. It looks so naked without the anything underneath. They were able to put it on the lift, I actually had to take the front bumper off. So they said it wouldn't fit on the lift with that front bumper so low, so had to take it off, do a little, you know, quick release action. Nah, I'm kidding. I wish I had a quick release on here, but it's fine for now. So I just got the front bumper back on. We're about to leave Midas. Just finished up the Z. You guys already heard that first revving on it, but I'm gonna go for a drive now and see how it sounds. I'm gonna just drive home and I'll get some exhaust clips with the GoPro on later. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so that's this cold start. It's not that loud at all. I kind of like it just because, you know, the TOMEI is actually a really big muffler in the back, so it's really nice, but it's not that loud. I like it, but it's loud when you want it to be, like when you're actually driving, so it sounds really good. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Really happy that I got this car to sound like this. I got rid of that exhaust leak and it just sounds so much better. I forgot to add that I took the car back. It's been like probably like a week, but I took the car back because I still had an exhaust leak, and they told me that it was my Y pipe that was messed up. So it had like the mesh part in it, it was like cracked, so that's where the exhaust leak was coming from. So lucky for me, one of the workers there had a Megan Racing Y pipe. I was able to buy it off of him, use it, and they put it on for me, and now it sounds so much better. So I'm really happy with how the car sounds. So I have this exhaust and the Megan Racing Y pipe link in the description below if you guys want to get that. I got mine on Facebook Marketplace. You just gotta find a good deal, you know what I mean? You gotta be patient for when it comes. So the car's looking sick right now. I do have a lot planned for it. I got coilovers, I got some headlight restoration stuff I want to do, and just a lot of things that are coming for this car. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we have so much coming on this, so much coming on my brother's BRZ, his wide body BRZ. We have another BRZ we wide body. We have so much content coming. I just want to put all that content out right now because I'm back in school again. I had like 2 weeks off in summer after my summer semester, so I'm back in school starting fall. This is gonna be my last year in school, hopefully, and then I'll be able to push out more content for you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, please leave a like. It helps a lot. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure that you consider subscribing because I work really hard on these videos, work really hard on my cars, and I don't know, I just want you guys to be able to follow me and be able to do the things that I do to my car and learn from my mistakes, learn from what I do to make your cars better or your experience better. So I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. The channel has been going up and up and up lately, and I'm really happy about that. We have new sponsors to the channel now, and it's just so surreal because I started this channel with like 0 subscribers. Obviously I had nothing. Had a Lancer that didn't really look that nice, and I made it into something that I'm very proud of and something that a lot of people can say looks really good. And now I have this car. This is one of my dream cars. I'm happy that I'm able to own it and put out content for you guys and make it my own as well. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.